Unbeaten by the rain, unbeaten by the wind, unbeaten by the snow or the summer heat. I want a body strong enough for all of it, and not greedy for more than I need, not quick to anger, always quietly smiling. Eating only a little each day, not acting selfishly, respecting others and never forgetting, living in a small house in the countryside. If there is a sick child in the east, I will go and nurse them. If there is a weary mother in the west, I will go and care for her. If there's someone near death in the south, I will go and tell them not to be afraid. If there are people quarreling in the north, I will say it is foolish. Stop. I want to live joyfully and in harmony with all. When there is drought, I will shed tears. When helping others, I will shed sweat. Unknown to anyone, even without praise, simply by being together, able to bring happiness. Such a person I want to become. Namu Henji Obosatsu, Namu Jogi Obosatsu, Namu Taho Nyorai, Namu Myoho Renge Kyo, Namu Shakyamuni Butsu, Namu Jogi Obosatsu, Namu Anyugi Obosatsu. Unknown to anyone, even without praise, simply by being together, able to bring happiness. Such a person I want to become.